Let's talk about the share button that is on your OneTapConnect microsite. Now, the share button is right next to the add to contacts, and when you hit share, this has been designed not for you to share necessarily your information, but for prospects, clients, friends, and family members to share your information. So now if I want to come here and share your information to a family member, I can do it by text, I can do it by email, or I can do it through social media. I can also have somebody take a picture of the QR code right there, and then immediately your OneTapConnect microsite is transferred. So just to show you an example, let's say I want to text this right here to my partner G. I come here, I put in the first two letters of his name, boom, there it goes. G just got referred to Charlie Chena with OneTapConnect. So it's that simple. The share button is for your customers, your prospects, your family members, your friends to share your microsite with someone that potentially wants to do business with you. Remember, OneTapConnect. You are now just one tap away.